The 250W 1000W camping power station is a versatile portable energy solution for outdoor adventures. It powers small appliances like LED lights, 10W, mini fridges, 50W, and smartphones, 10W, for extended periods. With a 1000W capacity, it can run a 100W device for 10 hours or a 50W FAN for 20 hours. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for camping, emergencies, or ARF trips. Recharge via solar panels, compatible, car outlets, or AC power. Built-in safety features protect devices, making it a reliable off-grid companion.